Hey, welcome back. It's Trisha here, and I'm from Passive Income Today. I love using ThriveCart. One of the reasons I love it, actually, there's many reasons, but one of the main reasons is it's really easy to use and it's easy to create unlimited landing pages, sales pages for any digital products I want to try or release to the market. And today I want to show you how to create unlimited landing pages using your ThriveCart account and the two things that you need to think about when you are creating a brand new landing page. Now, if you don't have ThriveCart, you can easily grab it. I have a link to a lifetime license in the comments below. Please use this link. When you use it, I will earn a small commission, and that money is reinvested to making these videos for you for free. Okay, so let's dive right in. The very first thing you need to do before you create a landing page is you need to have a digital product. So let's assume that you already have a digital product and it's in your ThriveCart account. Now that digital product could be anything like an ebook, a course, a download, a PDF, a printable, a template, anything at all. Whatever it is that you want to sell to your customer or to your consumer, that exists in your ThriveCart library. So that's the first step. So let's assume that you have that in place. And the next step is we need to create a landing page or a sales page. This is super simple to do as well. And with ThriveCart, you can create unlimited landing pages for any type of product that you want. If you're starting right now from scratch and this is the first time you're hearing about ThriveCart, my recommendation, what I learned is when I set up my account, is to pick the subdomain. When you set up and log in, they'll ask you for a subdomain to be added. When I first started, I used my first name and my last name, but as I started to progress in my entrepreneurial journey, I realized I didn't really want my name in the domain name for my products. So I created a second ThriveCart account. I purchased a second license and I called it Digital School. So it's digitalschool.thrivecart. And that's just a little side note. So let's get back to where we are now. Now we're going to create unlimited landing pages. So let's say you have a product and you want to create 5 different landing pages for the same product. You can do it 2 different ways. You can create a clone of an existing page, change the messaging, change the colors. It's really super easy to do that, and I'll show you right now how to clone any page. And the second way is you can actually go ahead and design multiple pages, and you can use a template that they've provided, or you can create one from scratch. So let's first look at the cloning. Here I'm showing you a picture of my dummy account in ThriveCart, and this will show you a number of different sales pages that I've made. And actually most of these sales pages are purely for tutorial purposes, so they're not real, and you'll be able to see that as we go through because the messaging is not complete. So let's say, for example, ThriveCart landing pages, I really love this design. To make a clone of this and make 6 or 7, I would literally click this button here and that would create a clone. Do you want to clone it? And that would make that particular landing page. Let's get the URL, copy URL, and I'm just going to move this up so you can see it. And it would show you here the landing page. Super easy, right? Now, if I wanted to make multiple landing pages with the same design, once I've cloned it, I'd literally go into Edit Checkout and follow the steps and update the sections. But the main part that I wanted to show you was how to start from scratch with nothing. Now, I've seen on different websites like Etsy, people are selling ThriveCart checkout pages and sales pages, and I've been really impressed by the creativity of some of these designers. They've done beautiful work. But my challenge actually is not necessarily the creativity, is having the right length of page for the product that I'm selling. So let's say you are selling a very low ticket product. Do you need a very big page, or do you need just a small page with a checkout? So let's have a look at a couple of examples that I've created before. Let's go ChatGPT Profits. I'll just go to page 2. ThriveCart School is a free course that I offer to people, and I offer this course for 2 reasons. It covers all the frequently asked questions when someone is starting out or someone is already using ThriveCart, and this helps them to navigate and put their courses together and content really easily. Now, I put a lot of effort into this sales page because it really means a lot to me to help people and to get a good result, and also to explain and build that trust. So depending on where you are in your journey, if you're simply trying a $7 product and you just want to get out to market, you might like to do the checkout page only. But hypothetically speaking, I like this page, I like the design, I like the layout. So what I would do is I would just clone this and make a new page. And the great thing with ThriveCart is when I create the new page, I can delete rows. So each of these sections are built on rows. So as you can see, there's an upgrade here to purchase ChatGPT Profits, which is an excellent course. Here is your contact information, and if you want to upgrade, you can add it in. Really nice and clean. So if I was going to be consistent on my branding, consistent on my styling, I would actually just simply reclone this sales page and make lots of them. I might change the colors in the here. I'll definitely change the images and some of the titles, and it's that easy. Literally, you can get this done in 5 minutes. So let's go back to the products page. And I'm just thinking how I'll do this. Let's start with a brand new one. We're going to make a quick landing page. I want to teach you a couple of things because a lot of this you can work it out through ThriveCart School, and once you understand how to navigate, it's really easy. So let's do test landing page. Okay, this is currently in test mode. I am the owner. I'm going to set a product price of $0. Next, next. Activate, next, next. This is a section where you need to connect the product they will receive through this transaction to your sales page at the checkout. So how ThriveCart works is you will have the person arrive on the page, they'll read the content, they'll decide whether they would like to purchase it. They make the transaction, whether it's for free or it's a paid product, and as soon as it completes, ThriveCart will send a confirmation email and it will provide a link to access this product. In order to make that automation work, you need to connect it. This is the section in the sales page. You need to connect it, or the landing page. So add them to my membership site, which is ThriveCart Learn. I need to pick a product, so let's just go and pick something random here. And I might like to add a tag as well. I choose to use the underscore, but you don't have to do that. That's just my own preference. So when they purchase it, if I get a list of all my customers, I can sort them and segment them by a tag, and that's how you would do it. Now I would browse the gallery. I have designed loads and loads of websites over the years. In fact, I partner with a company called Pinnacle Brands in Los Angeles, and we work together very closely. I do all their SEO content writing for their websites, and I help with the design and the branding side of things. And one thing that I learned very quickly early on is, as a new entrepreneur, it's really easy to get overwhelmed by the amount of choices available. I want you to look at this completely different. Look at this as a wireframe. A wireframe means if you can imagine a chicken coop and it has that chicken wire that goes around the outside, that wire creates a shape and a framework. The same with a website or a design of a landing page or a sales page. We are looking at what order information is presented in. And if you're interested in learning a bit more about this, I'll put a link below to a free little cheat sheet that will help you work out your branding and your messaging and how you will sell to your customer. I'll put that link below, so grab it if you're interested. Okay, so as we can see here, there's a number of different pages. First, ignore the images. They're not important. You will add your own images. What you're actually looking is the layout, and that's what we call the wireframe I mentioned to you before. So let's do this as an example. Let's preview the first one. The layout for this one is a video at the top, a heading message. Now this is called your hero image area. It's got some information about companies that use that service, a picture of the product, some words, a link to purchase, some more text, subtext, body text, a couple of images, etc., etc. So you go all the way to the very end, and tells you the price of the product, and you add it here. How do you want to pay? And if that was something that you like. Now, who would choose this particular product? Now, if you have something that's really high ticket or high end, this would probably be an excellent starting point for you. You swap the video out, change the background image, add your logo, change the text. This might be a testimonial list, or this might be companies you've worked with or people who've purchased from you, or some comments, or maybe some benefits for the customer. You can use this text any way you like. This section where it says Forbes and CNN Business, that is an image, and that's the body text. This is a picture of the product. This is a background and text. It all can be changed. So now we are looking at the layout, not necessarily the images. And you can create unlimited pages with this. You go down and might change that image. And let's just say you get to this point and you really don't like this part where it has the Latin words and it has these 3 boxes and some text. In ThriveCart, you can actually delete all of that. So you can keep as much as you want. Go down, go down. This is telling you what you get, bonus 1, 2, and 3. So for the sake of this activity, I'm going to use this template. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the sections that you can update the elements. So for example, if I want to change this, let's say here, how to build unlimited landing pages in ThriveCart. I'm just making up the text as we go. ThriveCart School with Trisha. Da-da-da. Add a video. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Full stop. I might change the images here. You can see that's an image. You just click on that, delete it. Now, if you don't even like this section, you can delete that whole part. So I would just hover up a bit higher and go delete. Okay, go on. Now I would change the image, grab your free ebook, for example, and then you would say what it's called here, landing pages dissolved. And then you put anything here. Now, because it's a free product, I'm not charging, so I might get rid of this block as well. And then perhaps we got, like I said before, we got to this part, we didn't really like it. You see how there's a dotted line? That means that that is an entire row. And what we can do is if we don't like it, we can actually delete it. So if you click near the dotted line and go to the far right, let me just move this over, delete this. Do I want to delete it? Yes. Okay, it's gone. How cool is that? Now, if I feel like I really need something there, I can go back to my block elements, find a block. A block is a row, and we can have a look at all the blocks here on the left. Da-da-da. Let's find something that works. Let's just say this is what we want. We just grab it and drag it and drop it. How cool is that? So super easy. Go down, update your images, and there you have it. You have completed the activity. You have just made your very first landing page. That's simple. So let's just save the changes, and what you will notice as you go through the process of building your landing page, there'll be a checkout at the very bottom. You can add in, so as you can see, it was for free. I didn't add any upsells. If I did add in a price and an upsell, it would show that in here. And I just go to the next page, save. This is page 2. So in some of the designs, there will be a lot of information in there. Again, you can just delete anything you want. This is the success page. Congratulations. I would definitely add something here like congratulations, your this is complete or successful. You'll get the information below. Here's how to contact us if you have any problems. Whatever you decide to do that you would normally provide information to people. Okay. And there we go. So next you can connect all your pixels for your custom coding if you want to. Next, get URL. And I know you understand this was just a test to show you how it would look. So I'm going to take a copy of that. Now, if I was happy with this and I was ready to go, I would change this and make it into a live product. It's currently in the test mode, which is also called a sandbox. As you can see, the changes are here and it's ready to go. How cool is that? So when you are in your ThriveCart account and you can see under products, you can create any number of landing pages. There's no limit. That's one of the things I really love about ThriveCart. When I have used other programs, I have found there's some limitations. I used ClickFunnels for a while and it was quite expensive. I think I was paying maybe $99 to $150 a month, and there was a limit of 20 products, such as 20 pages. And I had the same issue with Kajabi and Teachable. And when I came to ThriveCart, I discovered I can literally have hundreds of pages for the same product. So if I was doing a Easter or a school holiday or July 4th Independence Day promotion, I could take the same layout and landing page, clone it, and then put some of the decoration or design factors for that particular special day. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you would like to get access to ThriveCart School, it's completely free. There is a link below. I'd be happy for you to join in, and I'm always happy to answer your questions. Feel free to leave a comment below, a question, or simply just let me know where you're from so I know where people all over the world are, and I'm so happy to be here and help you today. Have a great day. See you later.